how to add or remove members to contacts group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app and click on contacts. After click on contacts, scroll down and click on groups. So you will see groups is here. Click on group, and if you want to add members, click on this three dot icon and click on edit group. After click on edit, click on add member. So you will add member. After add member, click on done. You will see member is add on group. If you want to remove members to contacts, so you click on this minus icon. After click on this minus icon, you will see member is removed on your group. After the process, click on save. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can add or remove members to contacts group on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.